Hi, I'm Dominic, the voice actor behind Lucky the Llama.
Hi, I'm Lauren, the voice actor behind Tammy the Turtle. Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm the voice actor behind Felix the Flying Squirrel. What a lovely day!
Pass the ball to me, Tammy.
No, pass it to me. What a lovely day! Tammy, pass the ball to me. No, pass it to me. Ooh, it's so scary. I see a pair of eyes peeking out. Ooh, it's so scary. I see a pair of eyes peeking out. Hurry, I cannot wait to find the treasure. Hurry, I cannot wait to find the treasure. Wait for us, Felix. Come, Lucky, let's accelerando. Thank you for coming to the concert, my friends.
We would never be late for a friend.
Thank you for coming to the concert, my friends. You're welcome, Felix.
We would never be late for a friend. We got you some flowers.
Hi, I'm Kyra. I'm playing the role of the singing snail.
Hi, I'm Rainick and I play the blue parrot.
Hi, I'm Ashley and I play the yellow parrot.
Hi, I'm Felicia and I play the red parrot.
Hi, I'm Nicholas and I played the role of the conductor.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth, playing the role of Mel the mechanic.